My name is Travis Baird. I'm a supplier quality engineering technician at Whirlpool Corporation out of Findlay, and I am enrolled in the business administration of accounting at Tiffin University. Accounting has always been kind of an interest of mine. I've always been really good with math and numbers. Tiffin University had the DragonNext program, so I was able to transfer my degree, and so now that everything's online, the kids go to sleep and I can start my studying for a couple hours before I go to bed. I reached out and the administration people scheduled everything. I just kind of told them my goal and how soon I wanted to complete my degree. So far it's been pretty good at Tiffin. I've been able to set a decent routine. Everything's very flexible, so I've been able to travel while I'm taking full-time classes. So I was able to take my classes like at the hotel room. If I had to describe my experience in one word, I would say it was awesome. Everything's just working out. Everything's going smooth. I'm halfway to my degree. No major setbacks. All the instructors have been kind, helpful. I haven't had to schedule any of my classes. To have that one task taken off my plate's super beneficial for me. Just knowing I have to go to class and this is my next course, just go do it, and then it's all going to end with my degree.